Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Buick Enclave. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported and the battery is disconnected. Safety is paramount, so double-check your jack stands. Next, gather all your tools. You'll need a good set of wrenches, sockets, and of course, your new starter. Having everything ready saves time and frustration during the process. Now let's find that starter. On a Buick Enclave, it's usually located on the passenger side, near where the engine meets the transmission. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. These are crucial electrical connections. After that, you'll need to remove the mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. There are typically 2 or 3 of these. With the bolts removed, you can now carefully extract the old starter. It can be a bit heavy and awkward, so take your time. Before installing the new one, it's a good idea to clean the mounting surface to ensure a good connection. Then, position the new starter and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Once it's in place, tighten them securely, making sure not to over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wires. After the new starter is installed and all connections are secure, it's time for the moment of truth. Reconnect your battery, then attempt to start the vehicle. Listen for that satisfying crank. If it starts, you're almost done. Double-check all your connections and ensure no tools or stray parts are left under the hood. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.